Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Spin Wheel for WooCommerce, Design and Customization Options. In this video, we will focus on designing and customizing the appearance of your spin wheel. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Spin Wheel tab. Then click on Design. Here, you can customize the visual aspects of the wheel. In background color, you can choose the background color of the entire wheel. In border color, set the border color of the wheel. In heading color, you can customize the color of the headings within the wheel. In text color, you can set the color of the general text on the wheel. In button color, you can customize the background color of the spin button. In button text color, you can set the color of the text on the spin wheel button. Now let's customize the winning message color. In winning text color, you can set the color of the winning text. In winning text background color, you can choose the color of the winning text message area. Once the colors are added, click on Save Changes Now. Let's move to the Slices tab. Click on the Slices tab. This is where you define the rewards offered by the wheel. To add a new slice, click on the Add Slice button. If you want to remove an already added slice, select the slice and click on Remove Selected Slices. Now, let's add a slice to better understand. Click on the Add Slice button. You can create different types of slices. Fixed Coupon sets a specific discount amount or code. Coupon Auto-Generated generates unique coupons manually. No Prize creates a slice with no reward. Link redirects the user to a specific page. Now, let's add a coupon. Select the value of the coupon. You can also add text like Try Again. Now, add a chance percentage to the spin wheel and add a color to your slice. Once the details are added, click on Save Changes. And we have successfully added a slice to our spin wheel. And that's it. In this video, we have learned how to customize the design of the spin while using the Design tab. We have also explored color options, adjusted the appearance of winning messages, and configured the slices of the spin wheel. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.